Rainy Party, written and illustrated by Nika Zamani. Find the little bug in each page. At school, we decided to have a costume party. After school lunch, I had to decide what to wear. I can wear my ballet clothes, but I don't like to. This is my best dress. I made it by myself. I'm gonna wear this to the party. Oh, I almost forgot. My sister's gonna wear a green dress. Last year, I wore a very bad dress. My parents couldn't take me to the party, so I had to walk by myself. I think it's gonna rain. Yeah, it's raining. Finally, we're in the changing room. I can wear my pretty dress if it's not wet. Now we're at the party. It's not important if it's raining, we can still have fun. I hope you like this story. Bye-bye.